Good morning, Kori. Good morning, Railyn. I miss you guys so much. It is so weird without having you guys here in the classroom with me. But we'll go ahead and start on our math, okay? So go ahead and pull out the paper. It looks like this. It has bubblegum machines, and it has a couple addition problems and some clocks at the bottom. The number of the paper is right here. It is number 63. Go ahead and pull that out, and you can pause this video to give you a minute to pull everything out, and make sure that you have your name right here on your paper, like always. And I'm going to do the work with you, okay? So right here, I'm going to do it. I know it's not as pretty as this one, but this is the one we're going to be doing, okay? So the very first one, it says we are going to count and write by tens. Now, we've been doing this in the last few videos, if you remember correctly. So right here, it says count and write by tens. Let's count these pieces of bubble gums in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So if we're counting and writing by tens, then we need to do it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like that. So first one, we're going to write 10. My pen is not working. There we go, 10. And then this second one right here, you're going to write 20. Now, when you count by tens, what comes after 20? We have 10, 20, 30. Good job. So we write 30. And when you count by tens, what comes after 30? Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40. Yes, good job. Now, let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 comes next. Good job. Now, what about 0 plus 1? Well, if I have 0 kitty cats, okay, and then I add one little kitty cat, how many do I have? 1. Yes, so we write 1 in this first box. And then right here, if I have 0 pieces of candy, and then I add 2 pieces of candy, how many do I have altogether? 2. Yes, very nice. What about this? If I have 1 unicorn, and then I add another unicorn, how many do I have? 2 unicorns. Good job. What about this one? 0 plus 3. If I have 0 cups of coffee, and then I add 3 more cups of coffee, how many do I have altogether? I'm going to draw little cups to try to make it look like my coffee. Not very good, but we're trying. So how many cups do I have altogether? 1, 2, 3. Yes, so 3 cups of coffee. What about if I have 1 dot, and then I add 2 dots? How many do I have? 1, 2, 3. Very nice. So 3 is going to go in this box right here. Now over here, if I have 2 squares, and then I add 1 square, how many do I have all together? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is your answer right here too. Good job. Very, very good. Now what about over here? See, I have these different clocks, and I have to draw lines to match with these clocks. So this one right here, the hour hand is the short one. He's pointing to the what? What number is this right here? 7. And then if it's all the way up, that means o'clock, right? So it says 7 o'clock. We are going to draw our line from this clock to this clock because they match. 7 o'clock, and that says 7 o'clock. Let's look at this one. Right here, the hour hand is pointed to the what? What is this right here? The 4. So 4 is going to be first. And what about our minute hand? If it's straight up, that means o'clock. So 4 o'clock. Right here, draw your line from this clock to the 4. Very nice. All right, last but not least, we have this hour hand pointing to the, what is this? 10. The 10 in the hour hand. Boom, 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 right here. And then this, if it's straight up, it means o'clock. So 10 o'clock. It matches with this one. So you're going to draw your line all the way. There we go. Now, go ahead and turn it to the back over here. And it says that you can color to complete the pattern. I know it's kind of like dark gray, light gray, dark gray, light gray. If you would like, you can make your own pattern. You can make it red, green, red, green, red, green. Or you can make it purple, pink, purple, pink, purple, pink. You can color over these to make it look kind of pretty. And the same with these ones because you can't really tell the different colors. So I'm going to have you guys just make your own patterns, okay, with these ones right here. Now at the bottom right here, it's supposed to be a test. Now, we can't really do tests like this over the video. So I'm just going to name them and I want you to say I'm at home, okay? And then right here, you guys are going to do this by yourself. Kori and Railyn, both of you are going to do this piece right here. Don't worry about this or this, but this I need you to do by yourself. Now right here, you do that in a second. Go ahead and come right here and repeat after me. 11, 47, 26, 93, 52. Those are all mixed up. Now go ahead and do these for me. And if you can, go ahead and do that and then write your name right up here. That way when mommy and daddy send me the picture, it'll be super easy for me to tell whose this is. And that way I can go ahead and get your grades in. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. You did very good job.